All right, so here we have a candle and we have two clear liquids. Number 1 on the left and number 2 on the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this candle in half. All right, all right. So we have basically two equal halves of the same candle. So I'm going to place one in container 1 and place the other in container 2. And what you see is that on container 1 the candle floats, and in container 2 the candle sinks. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the candles out of their respective containers. I'm going to dry them off, and then I'm going to switch them. So what you need to do is to think about, what do you think will happen when I switch the pieces? So the piece with the wick was in container number 1, and I'm going to put it into container number 2. And then the bottom half was in container 2, and now it's going to go in container 1. So take a moment and think about, what do you think will happen to those pieces? All right, so bottom half now into the container number 1, top half into container number 2. All right, so now we have the bottom half is now floating in container number 1, and the top half is sinking in container number 2. So think about, what can you say about those liquids and what can you say about what's happening with the candles?